She is writing her homework. She is writing her homework. She is drawing on the paper. She is drawing on the paper. She is cooking food on wok over open fire. She is cooking food on wok over open fire. He is selecting shirt from wardrobe. He is selecting shirt from wardrobe. She is enjoying with open arms and wide smile. She is enjoying with open arms and wide smile. She welcome and present door. She welcome and present door. He is engaged in studying mathematics. He is engaged in studying mathematics. He is preparing golf swing. He is preparing golf swing. He is teaching on chalkboard. He is teaching on chalkboard. She is arranging documents and school supplies. She is arranging documents and school supplies. She operates the office printer. She operates the office printer. She is performing arm procedure with scalpel. She is performing arm procedure with scalpel. She makes hospital bed with fresh linens. She makes hospital bed with fresh linens. He is playing tambourine. He is playing tambourine. She is sweating due to hot summer. She is sweating due to hot summer. He comforts crying girl. He comforts crying girl. He is smiling at reflection in mirror. He is smiling at reflection in mirror. He is sitting on boat. He is sitting on boat. She eats the burger. She eats the burger. She is feeding the cat. She is feeding the cat. He is watering the garden. He is watering the garden. She is reading storybook. She is reading storybook. He is fixing the bicycle. He is fixing the bicycle. She is knitting a scarf. She is knitting a scarf. He is washing the car. He is washing the car. She is playing piano. She is playing piano. He is climbing the tree. He is climbing the tree.